Wrote the song. That's the extent of my stage banter.
We'll take
I wrote
it.
the song.
We'll take it.
No, I wrote the song when I was a child.
October mosquitoes.
I don't know what that was. I liked it though. The song is called "The Bulls of Beartooth County."
Hey.
On rolling hills, low pines, and purchase pointed south. On the fire course of hungry earth, and stitched ruining mouths. A man could find a meal, a bed, or a patch of empty dirt, or a boot into his rumble belly, whichever one comes first. I suffer here the consequence, dread holy shout. And count your teeth and work and live before you settle down. Listen, I can quick extend stay and use a swing while the piggies play. And there's nothing now held in the sway for the bulls and Beartooth County. And their wider smiles seem to gleam like searing shafts of light. Through whiskey we can still to even waver lines of bright. They'll wrap their blade cups around your throat for the slightest sideways glance, or string you from an autumn spire, giving half a chance. Hey, forest, no peace, quiet in the county line, so come and try. Put you down like a thugger, then justify the most Beartooth County. In the Beartooth County Courthouse, the gavel falls like an axe, and judgment is a pendulum just swinging through a Sunday mass. Mercy is the dimly room just beyond that mirrored glass, where the maws of serpents salivate as the third gallows pass.
You're funny. You're being funny. On his apple.
In the night comes quick, stands stay, loose her swing while the piggies play. There's nothing now held in the sway for the bulls and Beartooth. Now here you'll find no rest, peace and quiet in the county line. So just come and try, put you down like a dog, just to fight in the bulls and Beartooth County, where the bulls in Beartooth County. Thank you.
Woo! Yeah.
How old were you when you wrote that?
Oh, I was 6 months old when I wrote that.
Nice. Talented.
Yeah.
When's the last time you played for EUM? Do you remember?
I believe the last time I played for UM was
22?
maybe 22, and then we were in that building, like
The Masonic Temple.
yeah,
Yep.
that place
Emma's-
is amazing.
Emma's
If you've
ta-
not
yeah.
been to a show at that place,
Yeah. Emma's Table.
go to it.
Right?
Yeah, that place, like I loved playing in there.
Yeah.
This is really great too. So thank you guys all so
Yeah.
much for doing this.
Thanks for coming.